quality is very good. My old audio system Sony broken, but speakers that healthy. In this video, I introduce this for survive this high quality speaker. Hi my friend, welcome to Dr. Tech Pro channel. In this video, I introduce this device, tiny device but very powerful for round this high quality speaker. As you can see, this device digital player have a USB port here for input or TF here and input aux stereo here, and it's important Bluetooth receiver here. I buy this device in AliExpress. You can see here 12 volt input. As you can see here 12 volt input here and output stereo for a speaker impedance 4 to 16 ohm and input stereo left and right here. And as you can see here, peak power output is 200 output, 100 left and 100 right speaker here. Okay my friend, link for buy in description. Let's go to testing device now. For now we have this, we don't need this. For power supply this amplifier you need a 12 volt 5 ampere for power supply. Put the connector here, input 12 volt DC, that's good. And now for a speaker wire, as you can see positive and negative, connect terminal here. For right speaker, be careful, positive red and negative black. Now other speaker for left. Before testing you should know this wire for radio and put plug. As you can see my amplifier turn it on and change mode to Bluetooth. Today we testing with the USB port play music and Bluetooth wireless music play and AUX input and finally radio FM. For first test I try change mode with this key mode to radio FM and you can use remote control. I try
line in,
change mode, now line input and radio FM mode and changing to Bluetooth. First testing with aux cable. You can use this cable here and your phone or this cable here, input AV RCA here, right and left stereo input. Let's try music with my cell phone. Next step, testing with the USB port and Bluetooth connection. Now listen aux cable connection. Okay, that's good. Let's test with USB port. Before test with USB, please subscribe and like this video, support Dr. Tech Pro channel. Listen.
U-disc mode.
You can volume up with this or volume up with this. Quality is very good. I pause it music, and you can change equalizer. That's good. You can change equalizer, as you can see here, equalizer with this key, and you can select music with this. I try change music, previous or next music. That's a previous music. Okay, let's with this key, with equalizer key, you can increase bass. Again, listen, I try pause. Okay, let's try Bluetooth connection. Okay, my friend, before testing Bluetooth music, see this playlist is very helpful and useful. Let's try Bluetooth. Now try test Bluetooth receiver.
Bluetooth mode.
In Bluetooth mode, and try connect with my phone to this device. This device is G8BT speaker. Try connect, pairing. That's good. Pair.
Bluetooth connected.
Bluetooth connected. Quality is very good. That's good. Wow, that's a powerful. That's a tiny device, but very powerful. That quality very good. Let's play music. You can control music with the phone, wireless connection with the Bluetooth.